Guys, watch out. It's a time of year where this mysterious, wait, I'll get out. Watch out guys. There's this time of year, it's a time of year where the Hoofa comes. There's these little purple midgets that look like a toy. They come around the woods if you have one. Like for me, I'm not lucky. There's a swarm. Remember that dead frog video? Yeah, that's where we went down. And the Hoofa runs fast on the bullet.
And he goes to them. So guys, if you
Carries a knife.
check out videos to see why that, okay? Because this is
Link in the description. Okay, let's go. Okay, actually, go over there, take care of the babies. Me, let's go.
no, this one
I'm getting, look, Reaper, look at this Reaper. It's dead in the wood, but it's crazy.
guys, so basically
Here. Yeah, sure, whatever. Guys, just to say sorry, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Leave a like. Let's get this video 4 likes at least. I'm saying 4 likes.
how about 10?
No, 4 likes. 4 likes. My 10 likes. Yeah, sure. At least 10 likes. That would make my day. Subscribe. And if the video ends, it's not my fault because of my stupid storage
Yeah, guys.
on my phone. So we can answer you right away. See, got the sticker. We've been working on it. This is no joke. See this moss? Exactly. No. If you guys think this is clean water, you're wrong. This is dirty as
You guys might see that idea and I forgot it. You might see black going down
yeah.
live video. If you get me live video on it,
Yeah.
okay? It might not be the
Yeah.
so what is it? We'll do so much stuff for you guys. A bunch of challenges.
And Ian, sorry to say, but if Ian, you think we're copying you? No, we're not. It was our idea, so
I can't.
don't comment in the section, Ian,
Don't say that.
or else.
Oh, I checked.
And you better not sue us.
I checked in the video. In the
Okay, thanks.
in the new video, John Elijah. No.
Alright.
Ian, or was it Nelson? I think who was Bullock or him?
Oh, Warlord.
Yeah.
That's Nelson's account.
Yeah. So Nelson did a roast about Elijah. How ugly.
Yeah.
I forgot the roast, but yeah.
Yeah, it was like Elijah's so ugly. When the Illuminati saw him, he blinked. Oh, that's such a roast, though.
I don't get the roast kind of.
Cause get it, the Illuminati never blinks, and they see his face. She's like, ooh. Okay, guys, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and peace out.